your home? Did you know that your roof is one of the most important parts of your house? It protects your family and your belongings from whatever Mother Nature decides to throw at you, rain, snow, hail, or shine. Your roof is a major part of what is undoubtedly the single biggest investment you will ever make in your life. So when problems arise or routine maintenance is due, professional attention is called for. An experienced and reliable roofing contractor can deal with those small things properly that, if left unattended, can turn into a major concern. Leaks, dipping, buckling, and damaged shingles can all easily lead to a larger repair bill if left unattended. So whether your roof just needs a checkup, some minor repairs, or it's in need of something more major, get quality service from a roofing contractor you can trust. Contact us today.